Hello, assalamu alaikum everybody. How are you all? I hope you are all fit and fine. I'm also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Now I am going to introduce myself as this is my new video. My name is Usman. I live in Dhaka, Shoniakra to be more exact. But my home district is Brahmanbaria. That is famous for natural beauty. I am a boy of Brahmanbaria. I work at a factory here. This is my uncle's own factory. I have been working at this factory for 7 years. I have 3 students. I teach them how to do this work. There are 4 members in my family. My father, my mother, my younger brother and me. My father does not do any work and my mother is a housewife and my younger brother studies in class 2. Look at that. There are so many tall buildings around me and the sun is rising right now. And I am working as well as making video and practicing my English. I want to improve my speaking skills as soon as possible because this is my hobby to learn English. And bye for today. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Keep shining. Keep learning. Allah Hafiz.